Hello guys, welcome to Bethany's Dream World. And today I'm going to give you a tour of Mundola, and he's a car. So we're going to start from the front of the inside. It's a 74 VW bug. So these are the pedals made by beetles. And this is the steering wheel that has this cool peace sign on it. And then this is the e-brake. Now it's an aluminum short shifter all the way brought from Brazil. And these are the seats. They have red stripes, really big gray lines, and very thin white stripes. And the rest is all black. This fabric is from the MK4. So this is the front, and I'm going to show you where all the air ride stuff is. So this is what makes the car go up and down. I'll show you in a second. All you have to do is hold this button for a few seconds and it should go down. Now if I press this button, it will go back up. And this is the cooler that goes all the way down to the turbo. So this is the air filter, and both of these are the PPIs. Last but not least, I'm going to lift up the car so you can guys see the turbo. Don't lift it. So this is the turbo. And that makes 200 horsepower. So this is the toy of Mundola. If you don't follow him on Instagram yet, I'll put the link down below. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!